We got the 2021 Dodge Durango on the lift. We're running a really sweet setup. One of the better setups you can run on this car is the Stainless Works high flow catted downpipes on this car. So we're trying to make it a little bit more aggressive. Already has the midsection, got the X pipe done, got the rear Muffy D done. Not trying to go super aggressive, but trying to make more power. This high flow catted downpipe system from Stainless Works is a perfect setup. These are green cats, so they're still passing admissions, but it's a high flow cat. So it's performing 10 times better than what the normal cat would be doing. And we're gonna make it a little bit more aggressive with another 15-20 horsepower on this. So it's a sweet upgrade, guys. If you have any questions, DM us. Like and subscribe the video, guys. We're doing this for you. At the SRT Durango, 6.4, baby. Time for the upgrade, guys. Got these stock cats out. Got these new cats in. Got the high flow 3-inch all the way through. It comes with a set of sensor extensions, so we can run the sensors back to where they belong. This is a 200 cell count high flow green cat. So like I said, still passes admissions, but it's just generally better for performance. Look how big this thing is. Look how small that thing is. That thing does work, all right? That little guy right there works, all right? So we're trying to maximize, like I said, the performance and get a little bit more sound out of this. I'm just bolting everything together, connecting the sensors, and trying to make some horsepower here, guys. So highly recommend this high flow catted version of your stock cats, especially for your Hellcat Durangos, the 6.4 Durangos, the Jeep Trackhawks, the RT Jeeps. All of them pretty much fit this Stainless Works high flow cats. Also, we have it available on our website. So type in your year, make, and model, look for high flow cats, and these will populate, so you can order them for your car as well. So after the high flow cats, the next upgrade will probably be an air intake. At that point, you'll be a full stage 2 upgrade. You'll basically have everything exhaust wise done. You already have the high flow cats, X pipe, rear delete done. So the exhaust is breathing, guys. Time to maximize the airflow on the front. So we get more airflow in, better airflow out. The car is much more efficient. So you should be making about 20 to 35 horsepower easy. With these high flow cats, they guarantee about 15 by themselves. If you're looking to maximize performance, torque, acceleration, even gas mileage, do the stage 2 package, which is high flow cats, air intake, and a full exhaust, which is a sweet setup for pretty much any vehicle, guys. If you have any questions, you're looking for a stage 2 package for your car, hit us up, DM us, throw some comments in the video, and let us know what you guys think. We got the Durango all done, high flow cats installed, got the 3-inch mid pipes to the high flow cats, X pipe, straight pipe. I'm gonna crank it. Tell me what you guys think. Got the Durango sounding like a Hellcat Durango now. Thing idles like a champ. Got a nice clean blah, 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 blah. I think it sounds sweet, guys. I mean, this is a pretty sweet setup. Customer wants to build it. We got it. GExhaust.com supplies all the parts. And we install at GExhaust Davie or GExhaust Oakland Park. So if you have any questions, you got a Durango like this, you want to make it sound like a Hellcat Durango, hit us up. We'll hook you up.